Yeah, it's probably been about three green lights up at the next intersection, guys. We still haven't moved an inch. Alright, there's a lady on the tricycle. Yeah. Fully electric, I guess. So all of this, the fella said, is all like the historic center, because you can tell by the buildings going back to like colonial classical style and stuff like that. Well, we'll see where he's gonna drop me off. I think it's the Plaza de San Martin. And then yeah, I'll do a casual walk and we'll see. Look at this building. This building looks pretty freshly minted here. It looks really nice. It doesn't say what it is. Edificio Nacional, it said on it, the international building. So maybe that's where I have like some embassies or something. Ah, okay. Rico. Oiga, este tráfico, ¿verdad? Originalmente yo soy de Polonia y también en Varsovia, en la capital. Oh, no te mueves sin bicicleta, no te mueves nada. Okay. All right, guys. So, yeah, pretty grueling.
allá está la Plaza Mayor.
Y Plaza Mayor. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's cross the street without getting hit. So this is like what I was expecting. Let me pick myself up here. Try to put the man inside that car, guys. I went like there's some like traditional music being played, but you know what, guys? I went like I guess from the pollution and the heat of the car, like I cracked the window a little bit. The guy had both of his windows cracked fully, and it was baking in the car. Yeah, out here with a nice breeze, because we're not too far away from the coast. This is not too bad. Well, there's riot police, so hey, what bad can happen? You know, what's the worst thing that can happen when the riot police is out? So he said this is the guy, San Martin, and it says something like de la Nación. So he's the fella who was, I guess, the first president. See, that's the thing, guys. I don't know much about the history of Lima, except that it was the viceroyalty for the Spanish Empire. Let's see if we can walk up onto here and read something about this guy. Even in Castellano, I can probably make out. Well, it's certainly a striking